In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to Settings, and then click on System. Here you will notice Backup, so smoothly click on it. Unless this indicator is active, just tap on it to turn Backup on, and now it's time to add your backup account. So just click on Account, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected to your Google account. And tap on Next then. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, just tap on Next. And here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on More Than, Accept. And that's it. As you can see, backup to Google Drive is active, and your backup includes app setup data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.